Hi friends, Travis here. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I've come up with 5 things that really surprised me the first time I went on a cruise. I'm hoping that these 5 things will help you if you're planning for your first cruise. And so yeah, if at any point you like what you see, feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those things. And without any further delay, let's go ahead and move right on into the video. The first thing that really surprised me is how much everything is taken care of for you. Once you're on board, your room is done every day, you have access to food and drinks, activities are constantly happening around the ship. You literally don't have to cook or clean or take care of anything. It's all done for you, and that's a pretty awesome thing. The second thing that surprised me is how much food is actually available. And of course, I knew going in that that's what people always talk about, is how much you can eat and stuff on a cruise. But it isn't until you're actually there that you realize that you could literally eat 20 meals a day if you want to. No one's going to stop you. No one's checking anything. Yeah. So, and assuming you're on a cruise line that has good food, you're definitely going to eat a lot more than you normally do. Because I know I do. The third thing that really surprised me is that when they say unlimited drinks, it's actually kind of not true. On some cruise lines, they don't limit the number of drinks that you can have a day, but like Carnival, for example, you're maxed at 15 alcoholic drinks a day. But one thing that they they will limit what drinks you can have. Like there is a dollar limit on most cruise lines. Usually it's like 14, 15 bucks, up to 20 on some of them. I know MSC has kind of a lower for their Easy Plus package. I think it's like $9 or $10, but then their drinks are a little bit cheaper, so it kind of like works out to about the same. But unlimited does not necessarily mean unlimited. There are some drinks and some things that you don't have access to, even if you have a package. The fourth thing that really surprised me is how often the staff and crew call you by name. Once they've talked to you a couple of times, after that, they know your name, they know your dog's name, they know everything about you. Well, obviously, anything that you share with them. They will remember you next time if you sail on that ship again. Like I've, gone for months where I wasn't on a ship, and then I came back, and then some of the crew and stuff recognized me and remembered my name. It's very impressive to me because they see thousands of people, and yet somehow they can remember me and my name, and I'm constantly forgetting theirs. And the last thing that surprised me is how much there was to do on board. I was a little bit worried about this because, of course, I'd never cruised before, and I was worried that, like, on sea days and stuff, would I be bored? Would I feel like I was trapped? Things like that. And the answer is no. I never felt like there was nothing to do. There was always some sort of activity or thing going on, and plenty of bars to go sit and meet people in and talk to the crew, and, activities on the pool deck, etc. I've had a couple of sailings that have been limited on entertainment, but overall, I'm never without things to do when I'm on a cruise ship. So yeah, that's my thoughts on that. Let me know if you found my 5 observations helpful, and if you've cruised before, what are some things that you noticed on your first cruise that either impressed you, surprised you, or even disappointed you? And yeah, I want to thank you all so much for traveling with me. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.